What if I told you there's a camera that fits in your coat pocket but rivals Sony's top-tier mirrorless beasts? The Sony RX1R III is finally here after years of silence. With the same 61-megapixel sensor as the A7R V, it's small enough to go anywhere, yet powerful enough for almost anything. But at $5,098, is it worth it, or just a premium toy? Let's break it down. Sony didn't go wild with redesigning the RX1R III, and honestly, they didn't need to. This thing oozes understated elegance. The matte finish feels great in hand, the grip is improved for comfort, and at just 1.1 pounds, it's genuinely pocketable. Gone is the old pop-up EVF, replaced with a fixed 2.36 megadot OLED viewfinder that's sharp, bright, and always ready. The rear 3-inch touchscreen makes navigation smooth and supports Touch AF and tracking. It's weather-sealed, tough thanks to its magnesium alloy body, and looks like a minimalist's dream. So whether you're walking city streets or shooting in harsher conditions, it feels ready for action. Now let's talk about the heart of this camera. The 61-megapixel full-frame sensor delivers insane detail and dynamic range, while the Bion's XR processor handles everything 8 times faster than previous generations. Paired with the Zeiss Sonnar 35mm f2 lens, this combo produces stunningly sharp images with dreamy bokeh. And if you want tighter framing, the step crop modes simulate 50mm and 70mm fields of view at reduced resolutions, like carrying 3 lenses in one compact body. There's even macro functionality for close-ups as near as 7.9 inches. And don't forget the leaf shutter, which lets you sync flash at up to 1/4 thousandths. Here's where things get really futuristic. The RX1R III packs 693 PDAF points and covers 79% of the sensor. Sony's AI-based subject recognition now tracks people, animals, birds, insects, cars, planes, you name it. IAF is 60% faster, and real-time tracking sticks like glue, even in -4 EV low light. Whether it's fast-moving kids, your pet, or a speeding train, this camera just gets it. The exposure and white balance are equally smart. Thanks to AI and human pose estimation, portraits come out perfectly exposed even in tricky backlit scenes. Don't underestimate its video chops. The RX1R III shoots full-frame 4K at 30 frames per second in 10-bit 422, supports S-Log3, and even includes S-Cinetone for those sweet cinematic tones straight out of camera. While it lacks in-body stabilization, the size makes it a dream for gimbal work. Think of this as a stealth video rig for creators who care about color science and portability. So, is the Sony RX1R III worth $5,098? If you're a casual snapper, probably not. But if you're a street photographer, a travel shooter, or just someone obsessed with image quality and portability, this could be your dream camera. It's not perfect. There's no IBIS, no flip screen for vloggers, and the price is steep. But it delivers pro-level results in a form factor you'll actually carry everywhere. What do you think? Is this the ultimate compact full-frame camera? Or would you rather carry a mirrorless body with interchangeable lenses? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know where you stand on this one. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a deep dive like this one.